Sambonani kama ubongolo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzonani nendlebe namhlanje ke siphethe story sadadewethu ongibhalelile naye wathi ibongiwe ngine story esinenkinga eziningi kodwa sigcina sine happy ending. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungixoxelele lesi story sami, ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi abangani bakho bona if babe sesimweni esifana nesami babe ngenze njani. Hayi ke ngathi mina go ahead dadewethu, tell your story. Nako ke mina sengila sengizoxoxela nina ke mina ngoba phela ngumamgobhozi wenodumo, ngizoxoxela nini ukuthi nina bese nambe ngixoxela umphakathi, but bese niyabatshela umphakathi ukuthi awumfollow niyezwa. Okay, thank you. So istory sihamba kanjena kusisuthi yena unodadewabo omncane kunaye. Okay, uthi unodadewabo omncane kunaye, uthi enene wayehlala nje ekhaya uma wakhe ugogo wakhe wakubuka baba ngoba uma wakhe nobaba wakhe babeshadile nobaba wakhe. Ubaba wakhe ke umuntu osebenzayo abuyele ekhaya. Uthi ezisikhathi sihamba hawu uma wakhe wavele wanyamalala. Uthi wahamba nje uma wakhe engathi uzobuya, wahamba nje lesikhwama wathi uyabuya uyagoduka uyakubo. Ukwaphela kanjalo. Uthi lokwamgcina kanjalo uma wabo. Uthi ke bahlale nogogo betshela nje ukuthi uma uzogcina ebuyile kubo, ubaba wabo afonele kuba mama wakhe abuza ukuthi enene uma wakhe ufikile lapha ekhaya, bathi kubo hayi cha akazange azafike. And then ubaba wabo afile ilokhuzana i-case ye missing person. Nangampela makayifayila i-case missing person, uma wabo agcina esetholwa. Utholwa kuphi? Utholwa usegule. Makathola uma wabo uyatholwa, then uyabuza ukuthi enene how mama kuthi ulahlekile. Athi mina ngilahlekanga. Thiwa washiya ingane ekhaya, washiya nogogo nomyeni wakho, waye ungabuye ekhaya. Athi uma akafuna ukubuya. Ayike ubaba masetholile ke kusho ukuthi ayithi amfuna uma amfune, mase ebuya thina akasasitshela ukuthi uma umtholile uma akafuna ukubuyela ekhaya, uthi yena ukhathi akafuni lutho that has to do with us no baba kanye noma kababa. Ayike sihlale nobaba kuphele kanjalo, kodwa ubaba angasitsheli. Angithi akabatshelanga ukuthi abantwana ukuthi enene cha unina akabafuni, wabatshela nje ukuthi uma waba ngamtholanga, uma wakhe ulahlekile. Hayi sihambe isikhathi sesibongiwe siyakhula, ubaba uyasikhulisa, uyathenga ukudla, uyasifundisa, usenzela konke until kuze kushaya isikhathi la ugogo khona edlule emhlabeni. Makadlule emhlabeni ngoba ugogo yena wayesenzela yonke into kuze gcine now ubaba wagcina engatholanga umuntu. Wagcina engalethanga umuntu ekhaya, engashadanga namuntu, wazimisela nje ubaba ngoba ubaba wayesebenza kamasipala, wayemisela wazikhulisa. Hayi wasikhulisa ubaba. Kuyabe kuyahamba isikhathi ubaba avela gule, ubaba aphathwe iphika, ubaba ashone isigubhukane. Ushona ubaba isigubhukane nje, mina vele sengiseva sethi ufundela ini i-teaching. Okay. Uthi ke umngani wethu nangampela afunde ngoba wehlala eRest wengasahlala ekhaya. Ubaba vele useshonile, udadewabo lo uhlala kamakhelwane, ugadwe womakhelwane. But usiswakho lokhu njalo ke ezama ukuthi abamba amatoho nje befunda abesethumela imali ekhaya. Naso esikoleni uyazama ukuthi afundise ingane ezingayibambi ifundo kahle ukuthi akwazi ukuthi enena athumele imali ekhaya. Nangampela akwenze lokho sisi aze aqede esikoleni. Uthi ngibe nenhlanhla. Ngaleso sikhathi leso ngiqede esikoleni, ingane yakithi ifunda ugrade 10. Ngiqede esikoleni vele ngithola umsebenzi. Mangithola umsebenzi kwesinye isikole and naso leso sikole leso mangithola umsebenzi bathi nje bafuna ukungiqasha as soon as possible. Uthi ngibe nenhlanhla kanjalo, nguthola umsebenzi, ngisebenze ngifundise ngisebenze la kulesi sikole ngifundisa kusona, bese ngithola uGuy. Uthi lo guy lo uthisha naye usanda kufika unenyanga, ufike kuqala kunomngani wethu kulesi sikole, but uthi enene basha bobabili nje. Uthi uGuy bese yaqala angibone nje siqale sibe close, sibe ngathi siyabangani ngoba phela thina sibasha lana. Uyabegcina uGuy uyangishela uyangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda, azagcina uGuy azathi enene ufuna ukuhamba aye ekhaya ayolobola. Makathi uGuy ufuna ukuhamba aye ekhaya ayolobola, ngimchazele mina uGuy ukuthi kunesimo kanje, udadewethu uhlala kamakhelwane ngasekhaya and mina ngisanda kuqala ukusebenza. Iplan yami ukuthi mase kuphela unyaka ngihambe ngiyomlanda udadewethu azofunda ugrade 11 kulesi sikole lesi engifundisa kusona, bese ngihlala naye. uthi uGaya bese eyaba nozwelo amzwele kakhulu sisi asho ukuthi you know ngiyakuluza usizi lakho and ngiyakusupporta nami emlando udadewenu angizukuhlukanisa nodadewenu uthi sisi ngoba wevele emtshelela umfana ukuthi iyazi ukuthi udadewethu nami asinamuntu like nje ukuthi ufuna ukahamba nje uyolobola ekhaya ukwazi ukuthi uzofika ulobole kudadewethu hayi nangampela ufike uDecember umfana abeka imali abese yasuka lapho ahambe ayekudadewethu uyokwenzani uyolobola ekhaya wayolobola ngempela ekhaya walobola ngempela kukhona udadewethu kuphela ekhaya wafike walobola umfana wacela kwenziwa izinto nje ngomgomo wakhona even though kwakusisi wami omncane who was in charge of amalobolo ami nangampela kwaze ngagcina sengishadile leyo mali leyo yona ke yangisiza leyona le yamalobolo engagcina sengenza ezinye izinto zokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithenga izinto ezaziphathelene nomshado wesintu sahamba isikhathi kushaya uJanuary udadewethu ngamlanda ngambuyisa ngeza ngazohlala naye emqashweni ubhuti naye ubhizi uyasebenza until ubhuti angitshela ukuthi yazi ukuthini kunokuthi sihlale emqashweni siloku sikhokha imali yomqasho kungcono sivele sithenga indlu sobabili nangampela bayithenga ukuthi vele sebeshadile bashada bamba bawubhala benza nje into encane ezitiye umshado wabo it wasn't umshado wawindumezulu uthi ke nangampela vume naye athi akayiboni inkinga because uyazi ukuthi akana family but lokho emkhumbuzile ukuthi just so you know mina nodadewethu siyipackage angeke ngikwazi ukuthi udadewethu ngimlahle athi indoda akunayo inkinga sizothenga umuzi o enough ukuthi sihlale thina sobathathu nangampela they bought a 3-bedroom house bahlala bobathathu uthi kwakunekamera elikhulu betshela ukuthi ikamera linye kuzobele izingane zabo or i-guest bedroom and then elinye lizohlala udadewabo nangampela bawuthenga umuzi excuse me paperwork he went through and everything went fine uthi uGaya wakhona is a sweet man uthi esikoleni like the way angihlonipha ngakhona umkhwenyana wami uthi umuntu nje olungile nje uyambona uyazwelana nami like konke engidlula khona uyazwelana nami and umuntu nje ongibambisile empilweni impilo nje ihamba kahle ngoba umuntu onozwelo nonothando and uyangithanda akazaza ngikhombisa ukuthi enene kukhona izinto ezithile or wengena nje indoda ejolayo ethanda amantombazane or indoda ehluphayo engabuye ekhaya ingaziwa umuntu nje ohlale wazi ukuthi umyeni wami sesikoleni mangekho esikoleni uyabuya ula ekhaya mangekho la ekhaya siyahamba siyemall sothenga igrocery senza izinto nje kunjalo nje uthi ke idluleke unyaka wokuqala sizama ukuthola umntwana udlula unyaka wesibili siyathola umntwana uthi kuda kumnandi noma sizama ukuthola umntwana kuthatha isikhathi eside but umyeni wami akashintshi ubiyena usangithanda nje usaqhubeka uyangithanda kunjalo wenza konke ama duties akhe usisi wami uyamnakekela umenza konke until usisi wami aphasa umatric and then umyeni wami athi enene sizingayihlanganisa imali sihambe siyomfundisa whatever le afuna ukuyifundela nangampela usisi wami athi yena ufuna ukuthi naye abe uthisha okay nakhona sinankinga nalokho ahamba usisi wami ayoba uthisha afunda usisi wami thina ngala sizama ukuthola umntwana sengiyazama ukuhamba odokotela ngiyajova ama IVF uthi sisibongiwe lutho ukuhlala umntwana uyeza ku part 2 izigigaba ngiyanicela lesi story sinzima kakhulu nangu ke part 2 uthi kusisi ke aqhubekeke azama ama IVF azame yonke into lutho sihambe isikhathi udade wabafunde euniversity agogode azaphase naye amfunele i-teaching khona la kulesi sikole uthi bahlale benomyeni wakhe and they agreed ukuthi ngoba usisi wakhe usanda qala emsebenzini akaqhubeka ahlale nabo even though usisi wakhe was eager to move out and then uyabonga ukuthi usisi wakhe usebenzele konke amenzele kona but usicabanga ukuthi move out wathi usisi wakhe no it's okay just wait to accumulate imali yokuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthenga indlu yakho uphume usuhamba usuyothenga umuzi hayi kulungile usisi avume athi uyabonga and they very close like yena nosisi wakhe uthi nje ba close kakhulu like babantu nje abanabo abangani they are each other's friends and they go out and they do all these things uma wabo remember akakabuhi empilweni zabo abamazi nokuthi washonaphi bona nje bazi ukuthi uma wabo sewashona la ekhona for sure okay uthi aqhubeke kazama azabona usisi wakhe ukuthi yazi umngane wethu losibhalela uthi azabona ukuthi yazi kushuthi uNkulunkulu ngeke angiphi abantwana bazame inyanga akukho abangakuzamanga just to make sure that umngane wethu ugcina ethola umntwana nangampela umngane wethu lutho ukuthola umntwana uthi ngelinye ilanga bongiwe ngingazelele nje umyeni wami sihleli siyadla sidle nodadewethu yayithenga igrocery like nje siphila kamnandi la ekhaya uthi sidle siqede abese siyahamba ke sesiyolala masiyolala ngalo langa kuba usuku nje ohlukile umyeni wami abe serious ebusweni bese ngiyambuza ukuthi yini indaba sithando sama you okay athi no love there's something engifuna ukukhuluma nawe ngayo nangampela uthi ngimlaleli isithando ukuthi what do you want to talk about abese ethi enene uyabona ukuthi sesiyakhula a little bit we in our 30s and umntwana asumthuli athi so what do you suggest that we do uthi shuthi indoda impep talk imtshela ukuthi love I'm not blaming you for ukuthola umntwana no I'm not blaming myself siyazama we are doing the best we can and we know ukuthi problem is on your side but love iphupho lami ukuthi ngithola abantwana ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe nabantwana nami and leave ilegacy yami abesethi usisi naye kwayimina myeni wami bengifisa ukuthi ngibe nabantwana ngikuthola abantwana but akwenzeki and it's frustrating uthakhala usisi and it was very stressful for her uthakhala umyeni wakhe amcomforte athi no but now we need to figure out a solution ukuthi what can we do what's the next move ugeli athi cause ngizamile and ngiyabona ukuthi akuzameki maybe kufuneka uhambe uthola intombi uyimithise bese sithathe leyo ngane ibuye leyo ngane izohlala nathi umkhwenyana athi ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza lokho I've always been faithful to you and I'll forever remain faithful angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngihambe ngiyomithisa intombazane ngaphandle and ngizomokushikusasa leyo ngane ngibe ngazi kahle ukuthi ngiyengize ngilobole bese ngiyabuya ngizohlala nengane la lo ntombazana ubona mhlambe ngelinye ilanga ngiyophinda ifuna ukukuhlupha isizofuna ingane yayo and siyoba nenkinga wathi no ngiunderstand ukuthi bayixoxa nje uthi wasethi wabuza usisi umngane wethu ukuthi so wena myeni wami what are you suggesting we do because for the mere fact that you raise this topic it means uke wacabanga ngayo abese yasho umkhwenyana wakhe athi yazi ngihlalile ngadla amathambo engqondo ngacabanga ukuthi into ezoba ngcono for mina nawe ukuthi sithola ingane le ekungaba ongakwazi nawe ukuthi ibe nesibongo sakho nami ikwazi ukuthi ibe nesibongo sami ukuthi ngicele udadewenu ukuthi abe unkosikazi wesibili uthi unkosikazi I was shocked I was really shocked because I knew that umkhwenyana was loyal and ayikho into eyayingikhombisa ukuthi mhlawumbe uyamfuna udadewethu I knew ukuthi enene uyamhlonipha njengodadewethu but when he said that my body was like okay but then ngathi mina angazi ukuthi ngizocabanga ngithini ngalonto you will have to give me some time thina ngempela uthi abese eyacela ulokhuzana umyeni ukuthi angamtshela udadewabo akube into abayikhulumayo mase betholile i-conclusion sebedecide ukuthi bazokwenza njani are they moving forward with that situation or bayayeka bese bekhuluma nodadewabo nangampela uthi usisahamba esikoleni ayofundisa ngalelo langa ngakusasa afundise nomyeni wakhe uthi yonke into right nje they went out that day uthi they didn't cook they went out and ate bahlala nosisi wakhe uthi nje it was just nice like when you would think ngathi bayingane zandawonye bobathathu because they were really close to one another uthi usisi wakhe that date made her think a little bit umngane wethu uthi yangenza ngacabanga a little bit yathi ukuthi ngahlala phansi ngacabanga and I asked my husband to give me a week to think about it and but that date yangenza ngacabanga sengibona usisi wami ukuthi you know if umyeni wami ushada usisi wami uzoba nengane enesibongo sasekhaya and if ushada usisi wami as a second wife at least I know that usisi wami nami siyazwana si close uthi I weighed all the options ukuletha umuntu wangaphandle nokuthi ashada usisi wami and I realized that okay maybe that's the best solution ukuthi ashada udadewethu uthi but ngingakakhulumi nomyeni wami ngisayihlaziya nje ngizama ukuthola isolution ukuthi ngizokwenza njani into nje ngidla amathambo engqondo ngedwa. Uthi so I went to school and ngabuya futhi ekhaya laphela isonto. Uthi until ngaze ngaya esontweni because we were a family ejwayele ukuthi esontweni nje. Uthi until ngaze ngaya esontweni and I had a chance ukuthi ngikhulume noma umfundisi ngimchazele nje ngodaba lami lokuthi abantwana sibatholi kanje bese ngiyamtshela ukuthi this is what my husband was proposing. Uthi uma umfundisi ayiphikise lento athi cha izomosha umuzi wakho lento ungavuma ukuthi umyeni wakho athathe udadewenu. Uthi, you know, as I was talking to Umama Mfundisi, I realized ukuthi I've already made my decision. Like I'm gonna ask my sister to be my sister wife. Uthi, okay, ngihlale ke bese kuthi later that day after sibuye esontweni bese I call my husband ukuthi nje simshiye usiswethu and we need to go out and then go eat. Nangaphela ngamshiya usisi wami ngahamba nomkhwenyana wami usisi wami wayiphindelela endlini wayokwenza izinto zakhe zesikole zabafundi bakhe thina saya out, which is something ebesiyenza ke from time to time. So sometimes mina nomkhwenyana wami would just go out and just simshiye usidadewethu, and she was okay with that because now she wanted us to spend time together. Uthi ke bese ngihlale phansi nomkhwenyana wami as we were eating, ngihlale phansi ngimchazela ukuthi you know I thought about into request ongicele yona, ngihlalile phansi ngacabanga ukuthi kungaba kanjani mangase udadewethu abe sister wife yami. Uthi also I've looked at my sister around you because there was so many things ebekumele ngizimonithe ngizicheck ngodadewethu ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhona into eseniyenzile behind my back, but because ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthemba nodadewethu ngiyamthemba, I could see that akhonto eniyenzile or akukho oku uncomfortable nokungathi niyafunana. Uthi so I sat down and I thought ukuthi no, I think idea yakho right because usisi ngizokwazi ukuthi enene ngibe nengane nami at least enegazi lami, and udadewethu who is a better person to have umntwana wakho to carry on isibongo sakini than my sister. Uthi ke sikhulumeke nomyeni wami lento siconclude and sizitshele nje ukuthi okay sizoyixoxa and then umyeni naye uthi my husband was really shocked ukuthi ngivumile because uthi ubephosa ithawula nje like besho nje ukuthi it's what he thought. Uthi wajabula kumyeni wami but washoke ukuthi are you sure, and he asked me wangibuza nje isikhathi eside ukuthi sizo right, are you sure ukuthi are you okay with this, are you sure ukuthi you're not gonna pull back in a long run. Uthi sisathi I know ngiright bese beplana usuku la bezohamba khona bayotshela udade wabo bamhlalise phansi bamtshele. Uyeza ke upart 3 nangampela lifika usuku langakusasa usisi lo umdala yena uvumile right, she's happy nendoda ba happy bobabili bahlale phansi bamtshela udade wabo ukuthi bamchazele ukuthi sisi besisacela ukukhuluma nawe kukhona into ebalekile ufuna ukukhuluma nawe. Usisavuma athi ngilalele athi yini but nangithusa ngathi manje kukhona into enizongitshela nani ngixosha yini yabona. Usisi became paranoid, uyaqala uyaquestion ukuthi indaba konke wrong ayenzile ngoba bajwayele ukuthi kuthiwa kufuna ukuhlala phansi naye kufuna ukukhuluma. Abese yamchazela kusisa ukuthi sisi you know I've been struggling to be pregnant and I've been struggling and I've tried and now only to find out ukuthi I deeply have a problem, I can't carry umntwana. So now mina nomyeni wami uzile wazongisuggestela ukuthi wena ungakwazi ukuthi ube unkosikazi wakhe wesibili, and we talked about it. Wanginika isikhathi nami ngayicabanga and I thought of it and I thought it would be great if wena ungaba unkosikazi kamyeni wami because I know who you are and I know you very well and I know how you feel about me and I know how you feel about ikhaya lethu. Yikho ngicabanga ukuthi kubo wena ozoba unkosikazi wamyeni wami and who's going to be able to bear kids for umyeni wami. Usisi ashokeke ambuka udade wabo athi sisuthini ngempela mina, athi ilokho mntakamanye ngicela khona, ngiyacela ukuthi anginankinga nokuthi wena ube unkosikazi kamyeni wami wesibili. Athi usisi wakhe angifuni, athi angisoze ngayenza lonto. Abe siyaqala ke akhalo sisomncane nalo mdala akhale bakhale bobabili athi you've raised me, ungiphathe kahle sisi, ungenzele konke okuhle, angiboni ukuthi kuyinto enhle ukuthi wena ungicela ukuthi ngithatha umyeni wakho ukuze uthole abantwana. Umyeni wakho should be able to love you the way you are and should be complete with a relationship yenu. Angafuni if umntwana enganinikanga uNkulunkulu it's okay, but angiboni ukuthi kuyinto enhle ukuthi umyeni wakho akubeke to a position whereby you have to ask me ukuthi ngibe unkosikazi wakhe wesibili. Usisa zama ukusho ukuthi no mntakama, yes ukhulumile yena, but when I said ngesikhathi ngihlala phansi ngihlaziya le ndaba ngibonile ukuthi nami no, I would rather have you as sister wife kunokuthi ngibe nomunye umuntu ongaphandle engingamazi nokuthi uzongitreata kanjani. Ngiyazi ukuthi lento le ikushokhile and ngiyacela ukuthi uyicabange sise ukuthi wenze njani. Nangampela usisi athi nginikeni isikhathi ngicabange, but ngiyanitshela mina ukuthi noma ngayicabanga uno from me. Usisi kuphele isikhathi sibayahlala ke endlini bese beyahlukana ke kuleyo meeting. Kuphela isikhathi ke bahlele endlini, yabona nje sekumuncunyana because usisi now she's really uncomfortable towards mina nomyeni wami, but uthi kodwa nje sisitshela ukuthi because usawumntwana she really needs to think, she needs time. Iphele inyanga usisi uyacabanga uthi usisi kuthi ngelinye ilanga nje umyeni wakhe ngekho eze kumina udade wabo sihlale phansi athi sisi I thought about it. Uthi lento ngicela yona angithandi and angizimiselanga ukuyenza, and ngicabangile ukuthi sisi angeke ngikwazi mina ukuthi ngilayele into yakhe. Angikaze futhi uSibari ngambona njengomyeni, ngijwayele ukumbona njengoSibari njengobhuti wami. Manje sisangibona ukuthi ku right lokho ukuthi mina ngingabona uSibari njengomyeni. Amcela usisi athi mntakama ngiyakuzwa, ngiya understand, sikhule sobabili, ngazi wena nami, the reason why ngicabanga ukuthi kungcono makuwena because ngiyazi ukuthi ngikuze ungilahle, ngiyazi ukuthi noma ngingaba kuphi ngikuze ungilahle, ngiyazi ukuthi ingane ekweyakho ngiyokwazi ukuyikhulisa ngothando nangesineke ngoba ngiyobe ngazi ukuthi ithambo lakithi. I weighed all options mntakama and I accepted the fact that abantwana ngibatholi, kodwa ngiyacela ukuthi if uyavuma, but mawungavumi futhi it's okay, I don't mind if ungakwenzi. Usisi nangampela agcine enqabile and they accepted it. Wonke umuntu accept abese yashoka ukuthi usisi uGuy uzomela afuna omunye umuntu, amtshele unkosikazi wakhe ukuthi you know it's okay, just find a woman and uthathe yena. Nangampela usisi ahambe baqhubeke bafundisa esikoleni esodwa bonke, baqhubeke nje bahlale ku right, sebeyikhulumile ba acceptile until uGuy ke kusho ukuthi uzokhetha umuntu wesifazane esontweni. Makakhetha lo muntu wesifazane esontweni ayamkhethe, baqale ke amlethe ekhaya ukuthi abone ukuthi uzoba kanjani nonkosikazi wakhe, are they gonna get along, is she gonna be a good woman. Uthi kube nezinto ezisnacks ezibonwa usisi kamngani wethu azibona ezenziwa yilo sisi ukuthi lo sisi lo ngiyabona ukuthi bamthembile, but mina ngimthembe, I don't think ingane kama would be in good hands with this woman. Uthi amtshela usisi wakhe athi sisi uyavuma ngampela, athi ayikho into engizoyenza mntakama, I have to say yes because umyeni wami ufuna umntwana and I can't provide kids. Ayikho nami into engizoyenza. Uthi ahambe lo sisi ke lona ngoba uyeza azovakasha, just bayaloku bemtesta nje bemtesta and bamtshelile na isimo ukuthi kuzoba kanjani, but basamchecka nje ukuthi is she blending in with the family. Uthi until I decide usisi omncane athi no, ngoba uyabona ukuthi usisi wakhe is hurting and she's also hurting ukuthi khona umuntu wesifazane ongena la emzini wakhe olokhu ephuma, even though wenziwa ama interviews and she says she's accepted the fact that umyeni wakhe u-interview umuntu azomshado wesibili ozozwana nonkosikazi wakhe, but you can see that it's breaking her older sister's heart. Wathi ngelinye ilanga ehleli nosisi wakhe wathi sisi I'm sorry that you have to go through this ukuthi awukwazi ukuthola abantwana, kuyangiphula umoya and ngiya-accept ukuthi ngizoba umna kwenu and I'm gonna give you umntwana and mina noSibari sizokwazi ukuthi sithola abantwana and nawe ube nabantwana. Uthi wathi ke I can see that this is breaking your heart and ngiyayibona ukuthi and lo sisi lo I don't think she's right ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe nomntwana nendoda yakho mntakama umuzi wakho uzophela. Uthi so ngaleyo ndlela I'm agreeing ukuthi ngizoba nomntwana ozokwazi ukuthi umkhulise nami ngimkhulise. Amtshela athi sisindoda yakhe angiyithandi and nginomuntu wami nawe uyamazi umuntu wami. Noma kuthiwa bengimgcine imfihlo kodwa wena bese sikhulumile ngaye. Manje ngizofike ngithini mina kumuntu wami iyona istress enginaso leso lento ngizoyibreaka kanjani kumuntu wami without looking like mina bengifuna indoda kadade wethu. Uthi usisi wakhe amtshela ukuthi mhlazana uyibreaka lento I'm gonna go with you sihambe siyokhuluma neboyfriend yakho. Uthi nangempela zidlula izikhathi ahambe ke nangempela yokhuluma nalobhuti lo. Bahlale phansi amchazela istory. Ubhuti was very heartbroken but in a sense he did understand ukuthi all younger sister is doing is trying to help his sister so that she can have a child. Nangempela kwaqala babuya lapho bathi mase beqedile ukukhuluma neboyfriend kadade wabo beza ke sebezohlala phansi bekhuluma nomyeni wakhe ukuthi usevumile usisi asho usisi kwayikhulumela yena somncane wathi Sibari just so you know angaze ngize ngikubone njengomyeni wami angaze ngikubone in that sense but because of udade wethu usime ngisibonayo nje bangena lo sisizo interviewer la ekhaya ukuzo check ukuthi bangazwana nosisi wami I can see ukuthi iyamhetha lento and yazi ukuthi what I'm doing I'm not doing it for you I'm doing it for my sister. Uthi uSibari aphefumula athi awu ngiyabonga Sibari wamtshela wathi ngiyamthanda udade wenu ngimthanda inhliziyo yami yonke nami ngikaze ngikubone njengomuntu ebengithi uzoba umnkosikazi wami wathi kodwa ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ngibe nezingane nami kusasa kuyaphoqa ukuthi ngifuna omunye umuntu bengafuna umhlukumeza udade wenu. Uthaze indlala uSibari achaza upart 4 walesi story ke ngiyacela ke ezisiqhubeka sibuka upart 4 ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe on my YouTube channel please ningakhohlwa futhi ukwenze njani ukubuka ama advert ku YouTube ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngihole while I bring you stories. Okay, so usisi ukuthi bavumeke nangempela kufike isikhathi uthi this was the funny part. Uthi now because my guy kumela lobole udade wethu kumina udade wethu omncane uthi udade wethu sevumile yes it wasn't easy but then siyaqala siyaplana nama I'm making her comfortable and I'm putting her at ease ukuthi azi ukuthi enene anginankinga naye anginanqa naye and ngiyazi ukuthi this is the best for both of us and the family yethu sonke. Uthi usisi omncane azagcine ewomapha to the situation azagcine sevuma ukuthi okay kulungile uthi nangempela sifika isikhathi uSibari uzolobola kumnkosikazi wakhe ulobola udade wabo nangempela enze njalo kulotsholwa yaqede kwenziwa izinto because uthi yonke into sasifuna ukuyenza ngosiko because umyeni wakhe noma weyikholo umuntu wamasiko kakhulu nangempela kwenzeke azanthile ukuze kufike usuku lomshado bashade. Uthi umshado wabo wawumuhle nje wawumuhle umshado wabo. Yes it was a simple wedding but it was really beautiful. Uthi usisi yes wayekhala usisi wami omncane the day eshada because it wasn't something that she had planned even though she was warming up to it but she wasn't okay. Uthi into engifuna ukuntshela yona ke after beshadile ke and bahamba they went and left ngasala ekhaya they went and left baya kwi honeymoon. Uthi mababuya kwi honeymoon babuye nesizwe. Usisi wami gave birth. She gave birth to a boy. She gave birth to a girl. She gave birth to a daughter again. Uthi my nieces and my nephew uthi ngihappy nabo which is ingane zami. Uthi sumndeni no happy. Usisi wami naye usethenga umuzi wakhe uhlala emzini wakhe. Uthi sihleli ndawonye. Uthi masingabonananga ngisho esikoleni masingabonananga uthi we still love each other. Uthi the unity our family has is unbreakable. Uthi angicabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu oyoyibreaka. Uthi ingane zikadade wethu zingibiza ngoma. Uthi angixakekanga angihluphekanga makangekho zila kumina zazi ukuthi zona zinomama babili. uthi ubaba is a provider to both families, uthi kuhle, uthi I understand the level of sacrifice usisi wami omncane had to do for me, uthi and I'm so grateful for that. I'm grateful. Uthi also what made it so easy for me to agree ukuthi umkhwenyana wami athathe omunye umuntu or udade wethu, it was because umkhwenyana wami umuntu olungile, umuntu ongangihluphi ngalutho, and I knew ukuthi if I don't allow myself ukuthi ngimiyekele athole omunye unkosikazi or udade wethu, ngeke aze akwazi ukuthi athole abantwana. Uthi what I'm grateful for is that I'm able to walk this journey with my sister, and I'm able to raise ingane zikadade wethu as my own. And usisi wami alukho usuku la angenza khona ngifile ngathi ngiyinyumba angibatholi abantwana. Uthi i-dynamic yomndeni wethu leyo. So ufuna i-feedback from you guys. Ngicela ninike feedback ukuthi nina nicabanga kanjani kumngani wethu, nimtshele ukuthi if bokuwena okulesi simo esinjena wena ungenze njani, and would you ask your sister to be umnakwenu, and yeah, nje please just comment below and tell us your thoughts. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Bongiwe Indlovukazi, on YouTube, Bongiwe Indlovukazi, on Facebook, Ubongiwe Indlovukazi, on X, which is Twitter. I'm also Ubongiwe Indlovukazi. Please follow me on all these social media platforms. And please watch my stories. If I post a picture, like, comment all the time, share. You know, I have a lot of stories engizozenza, and I'm also gonna introduce a gossip column a little bit. Ngiyazi ukuthi kumamkhophozi wenu enikhuluma ngeitori zabantu eningabazi, and I think from now on moving forward I'm also going to talk about izinto ezenzekile zama celebrity, whatever celebrities are going through. And please don't judge me. I won't be harsh to my people because I do love people, but as umamkhophozi wenu odum kumele nginilethele zona zishisa. Ngiyanithanda, nibe nobusuku obuhle.